The smart door lock that gives you the freedom to secure your home without the need for a key. Send mobile keys to family and friends, allowing access to your home for as long as you want. Simply twist your phone 90 degrees and walk straight in. When connected to the Yale Smart Alarm Hub, receive instant notifications and enjoy peace of mind, knowing who's coming and going at all times. The Conexis L1 works with most multi-point locks on the market. Engineered for easy installation, all you need is a screwdriver and a smartphone.